Ring offers several doorbell models, each designed for different needs and budgets. Let's compare the key differences between the main Ring doorbell options to help you understand which features matter most. The Ring Video Doorbell second generation is the entry-level option that delivers solid performance. It features improved image quality in both day and night modes, adjustable motion zones for customized monitoring, and enhanced audio quality for clear two-way communication. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is the first battery-powered doorbell with 1536p HD video resolution. Its standout feature is the head-to-toe view, providing a taller field of view so you can see packages left at your doorstep and get a complete picture of visitors from head to toe. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is the advanced model with premium features. It offers bird's-eye view technology that provides an overhead perspective of your property, along with head-to-toe video for comprehensive coverage. This model is designed for users who want the most sophisticated monitoring capabilities. The Ring Peephole Cam is the perfect solution for apartments and rental properties. It installs directly over your existing peephole without any complex wiring or permanent modifications. This makes it ideal for renters who want doorbell camera functionality without installation restrictions. Each Ring doorbell serves different needs. The second generation for basic monitoring, the Battery Doorbell Plus for enhanced video quality, the Pro 2 for advanced features, and the Peephole Cam for apartment dwellers. Understanding these key differences helps you choose the right model for your specific situation and requirements. Choosing the right Ring doorbell depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Consider these key factors when making your decision. If you're on a budget and need basic doorbell functionality, you have two excellent options. The Ring Video Doorbell, second generation, offers essential features like HD video and motion detection with battery power for easy installation. The Ring Video Doorbell Wired is the most affordable option, requiring existing doorbell wiring, but offering reliable always-on power and a compact design perfect for smaller spaces. For enhanced video quality and a wider field of view, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is an excellent choice. It features 1536p HD plus resolution and head-to-toe video coverage, allowing you to see packages at your doorstep clearly. If you want top-of-the-line features, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is worth the investment. It includes bird's-eye view technology that shows the path visitors take to your door, plus advanced 3D motion detection and superior video quality. If you live in an apartment or rental property, the Ring Peephole Cam offers a simple, non-invasive security solution. It installs over your existing peephole without drilling or permanent modifications, making it perfect for renters. Remember to factor in subscription costs for the Ring Protect plan. This service is required to access recorded video, smart alerts, and advanced features. Plans start at $4 per month, so include this in your total cost calculation. Here's your quick decision guide. Choose the Ring Wired for tight budgets, the second generation for basic needs, Battery Plus for better video quality, Pro 2 for premium features, or the Peephole Cam for apartments. Consider your specific needs and budget, including the monthly subscription cost, to make the best choice for your home security.